Hi, and welcome to my latest YouTube video. In this video, we are going to be totaling and scoring the social media jealousy scale. So the social media jealousy scale has been published in an open access format. That means it's free to use for everyone. It's been peer reviewed and peer approved as well, as you can see here. And the scale is freely available to all. I will leave the link of the scale and the article in the description. This scale is both reliable as well as valid. The scale has been tested using exploratory factor analysis as well as confirmatory factor analysis, as you can see here, and it's found to be a reliable tool. So the scoring is also provided here. It's a single dimension scale, so there's only one factor, which is social media jealousy, and the lowest score is 15 and the highest score is 75. Now we will calculate the scale. I have created a fictitious set of data which we'll be using for this purpose. So let's go ahead and do it. First we go to transform, click on compute. I'll just reset this. We add all the individual items one by one. So you can see me adding all the 15 items. So this has been measured on a Likert scale ranging from 1 to 5. So let's add this up so that we can get the total score. So 9, then we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. So we have added all the 15 items. Now we got to label it and name it. We'll call this TOT, social media jealousy scale, SJMS, SMJS, and then we label it as this total social media jealousy scale. I'll just keep it short, then click continue, and then click OK. So now we have the total score over here. If you go back to the article, you'll notice that the maximum score is 75 and the lowest is 15. So here what we need to do is, there's no categorization that's been provided. So what we can do is we can just find out the mean or the average score. For this we can go to analyze, we can go to descriptive statistics, we can go to descriptives. So we select the total score, put it here. We want mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. That's pretty much it. And then click OK. So if you check out the output, we find that the maximum score in this particular data set is 60 and the minimum is 31 and the average is 45. So anyone who scores below 45 is below the mean, and anyone who scores above 45 is above it. So we can use this to categorize our data. So we go back to transform. We say recode into different variables, right? We are categorizing them into two levels essentially. So we pull in the total media jealousy scale over here, select it, click on old and new values. So as we saw, the range starts from 30 and so on. However, we can still say 0 to 45 or 44, because 45 is the mean. So 0 to 44, it's below the mean or below average, we call it 1. And then anyone who scores 45 and above is in group 2. So basically we are saying that anyone who scores between 0 to 44 is 1 and 45 and above is 2, right? So that's how we're categorizing it. We call this low and high. I'll just rename it after we create a variable. So this is called LVL, social media jealousy scale. So that is level of social media jealousy, or LVL, or we can just write it properly, level of social media jealousy, social MJ, and then click on change, and then click OK. So now you see another set of variables that have been created here. We go to the variable view, select this value labels. Here we say 1 is equal to low and 2 is equal to high, that's above. Then click add, then click OK. Now we can do a simple percentage analysis. We go to descriptive statistics, frequencies. We can add the level of social media jealousy, then click OK. If you go back to our data, so you can see that 65% of the respondents, or 13 respondents to be precise, have a high level of social media jealousy, 35% have lower level. So this is a very easy to use scale and calculate, as you just witnessed. The scale is free for use, as I said. Please do cite the article. I will leave the link of the scale as well as the citation that you need to use when you use the scale. It's free to use for everyone. If you have any doubts, please do leave it in the comment section and I will respond immediately. So that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.